Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade ideas show hosted by the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the ugly one, and as always, my amazing co-host,
Teflon John in the building.
Here comes GameStop, John. Here comes GameStop. Again, we live in a year that the company that I hate the most is creating the most gains. If you guys are interested about what we're about to talk about, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. And if you guys want us to cover a stock, make sure that you guys drop it down in the section, comment section down below. With that being said, let's get to it right after the intro.
I like our intro because, first of all, it hypes you up and then it calms you down.
It makes you want to drink
go
some.
Like this.
I know, right? Like remember back in like 05 and 06? Like what?
It's like you want to take a shot of Corona and then chase it with Patron.
Or if you want to take a shot of Hennessy, or maybe down a fifth of Hennessy, and then chase it with a nice Mickey's.
Ew.
Have you ever had a Mickey's and orange juice?
Yeah.
You know how like a champagne and orange juice is a mimosa?
Yeah.
Mickey's and orange juice is a beer mosa.
Beer mosa.
It's a beer mosa.
Cooking Daddies coming soon.
Cooking Daddies coming soon. So if you're at brunch, you know what? That should be like a dope thing. If you go to brunch, right? Everybody's ordering bottomless mimosas. Be different. Get yourself a beer mosa. Definitely helps. Definitely, because I'm pretty sure you've had a chelada before. It's pretty delicious.
Oh yeah,
yeah. Michelada is really good, right? Michelada is a beer version of a Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
So
don't be sharing our secrets, bro. Like your business ideas, you gotta keep it on the down low, man.
Bro, Uncle Socks are gonna come, dude. Uncle Socks are coming. But yeah, dude, that intro is very, very cool. It reminds me of like if Nuck If You Buck got like remixed with The Weeknd. That's what it sounds like to me. Today was a really good day for the stock market. Let's take a look at the market conditions for the QQQ. John, the QQQ did something really cool today. It kind of broke that range that we were talking about before a couple of days ago. We're at a high, right? But we're not on all-time highs. We are trying to test that top. I mean, in my personal opinion, we're coming across this flag right here, and I think that we may see a little slightly of a dip right here before we retest that. What do you think?
I'm not leaving.
Do it.
I'm not leaving.
Oh, I'm not leaving.
I'm not leaving.
Oh my god!
Just check it out. Just check it out though. Like seriously, we're at a top right now, but you just got to be cautious because first of all, Apple is reporting. We got tons of tech that's reporting this week. We have a big names, especially Wednesday is going to be a busy day. I wouldn't call this a top right now, but just thread carefully, because if Apple reports, some bad earnings, which anything is possible. Anything is possible. If they do report, bad earnings, I mean, look at Tesla. Tesla did great, but seriously, the stock still came down. It still came down like 1-2% after hours.
Yeah,
so, like that can, if that happened to Apple, that can really bring down the Qs. And if you look at the MACD, yes, it's a little overbought. Anything can happen. We can come down, but really, I would just wait. After Wednesday for confirmation.
Wednesday sounds like a good day to get in. If you are looking for a dip, tomorrow we might see a this is just like, again, not financial advice. This is the plays that John and I talk about on the daily, and if we see something that we like, we're probably going to enter it. So if you guys are following our trades, manage your own risk and don't blame us if you guys lose any positions. On the other hand, if you guys do win by following our trades, our PayPal is, look for us at Trading Daddies. That's our PayPal. Donations are definitely accepted. Or just go to the store and buy some merch. 15% off. Robinhood sucks.
Don't even do that. How about this? Just tell your friends, tell your grandma, your auntie, or your cousins. Just hit that subscribe button. That's all I'm looking for.
The gift that keeps on giving.
Because, in the Discord room, like a lot of these, creepers, they're looking at the plays, right? They're looking at the plays with their binoculars, right? And they're like, okay, what is John up to now?
He's like a pirate? Like a pirate?
He's 5 for 5 today.
Like one of these things, like they wake up in the morning like, oh my god, let's take a look at the Discord. What is John looking at today?
If you guys are making money, just hit that subscribe button. Like tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your cousin. We're just trying to grow the community.
Before we start threatening, like if you don't subscribe to the Trading Daddies, your baby mama doesn't love you. Something stupid like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a look at the spot. Actually, let's take a look at NASDAQ futures real quick. NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures are flat. Could come down tomorrow. I feel like because of the Tesla sell-off, there might be a Tesla sell-off, in my opinion. We might see some downward pressure. We might regain some strength in probably midday. And again, if you guys are long on certain plays, dips are always good so that you could buy more, especially if you are on your high conviction plays, right? Let's take a look at the SPY. The SPY ended up at a doji. John,
yep. Yeah,
this is scary to me.
You got to be careful with that one because a doji indicates that, a trend change. It could still run. Mm-hmm. Who knows? Anything is possible.
So the reason why I'm a little bit more scared about this, look at this, right? Look at this. This popped. Doji.
Yeah. Dip. So it's a trend change.
Yeah.
Just respect, the candlesticks. That's what they're there for.
Respect the charts.
Respect the charts.
Respect the charts.
Respect my name.
The charts don't lie.
Put some respect on that chart.
Put some respect on this chart.
All right, go on. Moving on.
Let's take a look at the SPY futures, though. I just want to give that a little bit of pause. Respect my chart. Oh my god, there's so many shirt ideas. A little bit flat again. This may come down tomorrow. Just make sure that you guys are managing your risk. 418. Yeah, this is fairly high. But the stock that we want to cover for today actually is a review from yesterday's play. DraftKings. So John and I actually entered DraftKings, not together, but we ended up getting different trades on this. John, what was your trade on DraftKings?
So for DraftKings, as we mentioned, we were going to start a position on that one, and today, actually, a bunch of us, a bunch of us apes came in at when it was red. Yeah, when it was red, first of all, and then it came up as high as 2%. So my position right here, little disclaimer, okay, January 21st, 2022, I have a $55 leap call, which I'm already up 8%.
In the money.
Yeah, I bought it
in the money.
I bought it at the dip, as you can see right there. Anyways, the call cost me about $12.50-ish, $12.60 per call per contract. And my max on this one would be about 5 contracts. Okay.
Pretty solid leap, in my opinion. So are you going to exercise or not?
Who knows? I love DraftKings. I love the company. First of all, their ambassador is, the GOAT, the degenerate himself. Yeah. Michael Jordan. So, DraftKings is just, it will be a long for me, and I'm super excited to hold this along with Palantir up until January.
Nice. Actually, I took this trade too. I'm in the trade for a short trade, actually, June 18th for the 70 strike. I feel like on the daily chart, if we take a look at the daily chart, we're still trying to test all-time highs. There's still some support that needs to be broken here. I'm giving myself a little bit of time for this play to mature. Yeah. As the dips go, I'm going to add more. There might be a scenario where I let this go around May 7th just because I don't want to hold it through earnings. But if we see some strength, I'm definitely going to take in a little bit more. One thing to do note, though, the trade that I took, I traded it off the volume-weighted average price. So I used the VWAP. As you guys see, it's this light blue line. I actually got in the trade roughly around this level right here. I didn't get it at a better price like John did right at this dip. But I got in at the VWAP just because I feel that once it crossed over the VWAP, there was more gains to come. You know what I mean?
VWAP.
VWAP.
It's very WAP.
It's very WAP. It's.
I can't. This episode's too much. Go ahead. Move on.
It's. But not the psychology, but the way that I traded DraftKings is I wanted to get in underneath the volume weighted average price in order for me to find like a good entry point. Anything above the volume weighted average price, I don't like to take that trade because underneath the volume weighted average price, that tells me that it's kind of underpriced for the day.
Yeah.
Right. And if it ends up being over the volume weighted average price, that tells me that it's overpriced for the day, and there's more pause for that to come down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yep. The next stock that we want to cover is a big boy. Is a very big boy, John. The very big boy, the biggest, one of the biggest of boys that we really don't talk about a lot because it's too expensive for our taste.
It's not that we don't talk about it. It's just that we don't play it as much. Okay. But, for the folks who are new to the show, welcome. But, if you guys check out season 1, which is like videos ago, I've traded Amazon personally plenty of times, but it's just that the calls are a little, expensive. It ties up a lot of capital. But here's the thing, though. We've been calling for this split to happen, and I think this is it, Chief.
30-1 is what John is saying. What do you think?
No, they're not going to do 30-1. Most
they're
likely,
not going to do 30-1.
Like 6-1 or something.
6-1.
We should put up a pool. Like, what kind of split are they going to do? Like 6-1, 5-1, 8-1. Because these are possibilities. Yeah,
right there. So there was some news that came across.
And it's only a rumor.
It's only rumor. It's definitely some rumors. They're going to announce the split.
But check this out
on the earnings call,
bro. Like, if it's a rumor and then Wall Street's talking about it, most likely it's true. But if you hear it on Reddit, that's a completely different story.
Classic case of buy the rumor and sell your spleen. Classic case.
If it ain't green, sell your spleen. Nah,
yeah,
man.
If it ain't green, sell your spleen. If you sell on green, nah, mean. But yeah, Amazon, there's not really a whole lot of things on the technical side for Amazon. Yeah. It's just,
it looks like QQQ. Yeah.
It looks like the Q. It really does look like the Q. Look at that flag right there.
But I am thinking about, getting a few shares for a start. It's just a long hold because I've always wanted to own Amazon.
Yeah. So if you could, spend, let's say $3,400 on Amazon stock, that's actually a really good entry price. You know what I mean? Like what's that? $34 a share if they do a 30-1 split. Is it 10-1?
Let's set up a pool. First place wins it all.
Let's talk about that offline. Let's get something going here for the people.
And we just got off of DraftKings too. All right, what's next?
People. All right, so the next stock that we want to talk about, the last one is GameStop.
Yes.
GameStop popped today on do you know why? Is there a reason why?
Technical chart, really, we've been watching this in the Discord channel. GameStop was going to pop, and GameStop is basically your index, right? And then majority of your meme stocks, like for example, Nokia, BlackBerry, AMC is one of them. They follow through, and AMC actually followed GameStop with this run right here, and I was able to cash out on AMC, the one that I bought Friday. So keep an eye on that one. We might be re-entering that one. The reason I sold off today was because it hit a high for the day. So we'll definitely be back with AMC because GME is setting up again for another run. And I'm not saying that this is going to run all the way to back to 500s. This is the third pump right here.
Definitely the third pump. If you guys take a look at the
it's not going to be as big as the second one.
I see it roughly around 220 at the most.
Yeah, like two something. Yeah,
that's 220 at the most. But let's take a look at.
It did run after hours.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was going to go through. After hours, it kind of hit 200. So
yeah,
this is a fat pop. If you are long on GameStop, you might be able to make some money back, assuming that you guys bought it at the top at 500. Yeah, I know a lot of y'all.
I would definitely. We're gonna play AMC and GME. Probably this week because this one has legs. It's above all the moving averages, and this one can definitely have momentum. So
definitely. And that is it for us today on Daddy Bits. If you guys like this content, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button so that you guys get notified. Also hit the post notification bell so you guys get notified every time a new episode drops. And then if you guys want us to cover a stock, make sure that you guys drop them down in the comment section below. Hit that like button and follow us on all the socials. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Follow us both at Trading Daddies, tradingdaddies.com for all your news, your merch. If you haven't yet, make sure that you guys use Robinhood Sucks for 15% off your entire purchase on our merch on store. And that being said, let's get trading. And remember that the charts do not lie.